Good morning to all my respected teachers. I am Akansha from standard 10th B. Today, as the advice of my respected teachers of English, Mr. B.K. Pawan sir, I am going to summarize a poem, that is the Ball poem, which is written by John Berryman. Now, I would like to introduce the poet of that poem. John Berryman was born on October 25 in 1914 in Oklahoma. His father, John Smith, was a baker and his mother was a school teacher. He died on January 7, 1972. Some of his notable works was Homage to Mistress Breadsheet, 77 Dream Songs, The Dream Songs and The Recovery. Now I'd like to give a short introduction to the poem. The Ball poem is a very subtle and beautiful poem about a little boy who is growing up. The loss of his ball is teaching him that everything in this world we lost can't be easily replaced by any other thing. Now I'd like to pronounce that poem and summarize it. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over there it is in the water. The poet asks a question to the reader that what the boy has to do now, whose ball I have seen going merrily down the street and then finally getting over into the water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. There is no use to say the boy that there are other balls which he can buy. A grief, a sadness filled in his eyes. As he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. He is just standing straight and staring at the dawn. He thinks that like the same as the ball went into harbor and then finally falling into the water, his young days are also going away from his ball went. I would not intrude on him. The poet says that his ball has went and now I would not offer him some money and telling him that you can go and buy another ball. A dime another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility. A dime for taking another ball, it is just worthless now. Also, he can take another ball. He senses his first responsibility because everything in this world which we own is our responsibility, and it is our responsibility to keep that thing safe. Otherwise, it is also true that the things that we own will not be forever with us. In the world of possession, people will take balls will be lost. Little boy, in this world of possession, people will always take the balls will be always lost and no one buys the ball away again. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. Money is just external. No one can buy a ball back which he has lost. A person could only buy another ball by expending money on it. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. He's so grief and filled with sadness in his eyes because his ball is lost with him, and he is also learning a very good lesson towards his sadness filled eyes. The epistemology of loss, how to stand up knowing what every man must one day know and most to know many days how to stand up. He is also learning the epistemology of loss, that every man, everything that can be lost with us, we have to stand up after them, and also every man have to learn in this world and they can learn towards their life end and most of the many days, and they have also to stand without if their favorite thing is lost. This poem conveys a meaning that if we lost our favorite things, then also we have to stand up in this world. Thank you.